Welcome back to Savage Small Engines and More. We all have projects around the shop that we need to make sure we complete for our customers. We've also got responsibility for projects around the house. Today we're going to look at one of the projects I've been working on, and that's to replace the decking and railing on the deck in the backyard. The negotiation process started with the contractors in April, and we began construction on June 7th. As I had mentioned, we're replacing the decking and the railing on the 12 by 12 green treated lumber deck that was built in 2000. We're only replacing the decking because the actual structure below the decking was adequate based on an inspection by the contractor to continue to use it and just kind of do a facelift on the deck itself. The joists on the decking are 2x10 green treated, pressure treated lumber and are 16 inches on center. We chose TimberTech composite decking in a dark rose color for the decking material, and aluminum railings for the railing material to replace the worn out 20-year-old green treated lumber decking and railing that was currently on the deck. And we couldn't be more happier the way it turned out. The deck itself looks fantastic. The contractor did a nice job of managing the process and making sure we were happy with everything every step of the way. So before you go out and replace your entire deck, consider having your contractor look at your framing, your joists, and your posts underneath the deck, and if they're adequate, to just redecking the deck by adding composite decking on the top and aluminum railings to make it last longer and modernize the way the deck looks. And remember, leave it better than you found it.